Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace blower motor in 2013 Ford Escape. Only way. Remove the glove box to access the blower motor and disconnect the wiring harness. I will guide you step by step through removing the mounting screws, detaching the old motor, and installing the new unit. Follow my tips for testing the motor, securing connectors, and reassembling the glove box for a clean, reliable repair. Start by gathering tools and parts before you begin to keep the job smooth and efficient. Lay out a Phillips screwdriver, a 7mm or 8mm socket, a trim pry tool, and a flashlight. Confirm the replacement blower motor matches the vehicle fitment and check that the fan spins freely by hand. Keep a small container for screws and use dielectric grease on connectors to reduce corrosion and electrical issues. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical repair videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free audio while you work, and it pairs nicely with workshop playlists or voice timers. I've included the link and other deals in the description so you can grab one easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. With the glove box removed, you will have clear access to the blower motor assembly behind the dash. Unplug the wiring harness first to avoid strain, then back out the mounting screws and gently lower the motor assembly out. Compare the new motor to the old one for orientation, transfer any needed shrouds, and mount the replacement securely. Reconnect the harness, restore power, and confirm all fan speeds operate correctly before reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.